Good evening, viewers. Welcome to Power Sector News. Today's headlines: Stakeholders and their responsibilities of EV charging as per Niti Aayog Handbook. Tata Power wins solar with storage project. Prepaid smart meters for central government offices. Coming to the details. To enhance the necessary infrastructure to facilitate a rapid transition to electric mobility in the country, the Niti Aayog released a handbook to help state governments and local bodies to frame policies and norms towards setting up charging networks for electric vehicles. Let us throw some light on various stakeholders and their responsibility towards managed charging. Private charger. Use programmable chargers and apply for EV connection with a time update meter. Charge point operator. Install charging equipment compliant with OCPP 1.6 or higher version. Adopt open auto demand response or equivalent communication when notified by concerned authority. Discom. Enable passive management measures by designing appropriate time of day tariffs. Develop guidelines on minimum data sharing requirements by charge point operators. Offer bundled services to private EV owners with EV metered connections and programmable EV chargers. Tie up with charger manufacturer to certify charging devices that meet the minimum criteria for managed charging. State Electricity Regulatory Commission. Stipulate installation of time of day meter for EV charging, including for private charging and battery charging for swapping. Introduce time varying rates for EV charging based on availability of grid-tied renewable energy. Structure demand charge to minimize financial burden to LT charging points while also discouraging unmanaged EV charging. Central Electricity Authority. Mandate DISCOMs to adopt open auto demand response and create a distributed energy resource management system at the back end. Make installation of AR/AI approved charging equipment compliant with OCPP 1.6 or higher version mandatory for all charging use cases. State Nodal Agency. Promote smart charging to avoid lock-in with unmanageable dumb chargers. Provide a platform to EV charging service market for bulk procurement of smart chargers. Tata Power Solar has won 50 megawatt 50 solar plus 50 megawatt battery storage project at Phang village in Leh Ladakh at an order value of 386 crore. The commercial operation date for the project has been set for March 2023. This will be India's first co-located large-scale battery storage system solution as well as first large-scale solar project in the Union Territory of Ladakh to be set up at the high altitude of 3,600 meters above sea level. Apart from the operational inefficiencies that cause financial losses, mounting electricity dues of the government departments, including the central and state governments, urban and rural local bodies, and government boards and corporations due to delayed and inadequate payments for electricity usage also causes cash flows distress in DISCOMs. The Ministry of Power has issued an advisory to all central ministers of the government to direct organization under their administrative control to ensure switch over to prepaid smart meters on priority. Prepaid smart metering in all government departments would not only go a long way in ensuring the commitment of the government in bringing discounts back on the path of financial sustainability, promotion of energy efficiency, but would also serve as a model for emulation by states for defining similar such mechanisms that support prepayment of electricity dues by their own departments. Additional news today. India's total installed renewable energy generation capacity crossed 100 gigawatt mark. The center has decided to withdraw the subsidy given to rooftop solar projects with capacity up to 10 kilowatt from August 31st. Tata Power Renewable Energy commissions 100 megawatt solar project in Gujarat. 12 power plants in Telangana to get flue gas desulfurization installed by December 2024. Price discovery at Power Exchange. National Load Dispatch Center has scheduled 199.33 million units of power for tomorrow cleared through Indian Energy exchange. Coming to the price discovery details, price discovered during night 4 rupees 87 paisa per unit. Price discovered during day 3 rupees 34 paisa per unit. Price discovered during evening 6 rupees 46 paisa per unit. Price discovered round the clock 4 rupees 77 paisa per unit. Weighted average price is 4 rupees 69 paisa per unit. There is no congestion for power transfer in the network and the prices are uniform in all the regions. Thank you and good day.